Hey guys, welcome back to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove photo background using our favorite graphic design tool, Canva. Now, this is a great feature for any of your social media postings. You can actually remove the background of your own picture, and you could do a just listed photo or just sold post like this one. And you can use it to create banners for your Facebook Realtor fan page and so much more. So you want to make sure that you watch all the way till the end to see how easy it is to remove photo backgrounds. Now, if this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Today, we do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful real estate business. So let's head over to my computer and I will show you how to use it. So here we are on canva.com. I'm actually using the Canva Pro, which is the paid one. So if you're interested in trying it out for 30 days, I highly recommend doing so. I will leave the link right below the video. It is a referral link, so please use that link. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's say we are doing a picture for Instagram. Maybe Cornelius just has a new listing that he wants to promote. So the first thing you want to do is optimize your picture for Instagram, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels. And I'm gonna use this image here, which is the one that I used for the example. But you will upload the building or the condo or the house that you are about to, try to sell, basically. And I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the uploads that I already have of Cornelius. So this is one of his pictures here. So what I'm going to be doing is removing the background of this photo. So I could do an overlay on top of this photo. And this is one of those pictures that you see a lot of people do. You might be wondering, how do they do that? I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. So all you need to do is once you have the picture in the actual Canva, you're going to click on Effects. And you're going to click on this one here, Background Remover. And it's going to take a few seconds. It really doesn't take too long to do so. And it's really professional. You don't need to do Photoshop, which is such a learning curve. You could just use Canva. And as you see, voila, his background is removed now. So now all you need to do is size it up to the size that you want. So let's say I'm happy with that size right there. So then you just have to get as creative as you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little box right up here because the bricks are a little bit dark. And I'm going to change this to our branding colors. So this is our branding colors for his business. So I'm going to use this color here. And then I'm going to make this a little see-through. So the transparency, reduce it a little bit. And then I'm going to add text right on top of it. You could add any type of text that you want. I'm going to do this bulky one so it could be easy to read. And I'm just going to say just listed, right? And I'm going to go ahead and put this right here, try to fit it in here. And you could play with it. Obviously, you could do different fonts if you want to. You could change the size, you could change the color. If you wanted to make this white, you could do so by doing this. And actually stands out better with white actually. So I kind of like it there. Let's say I put it there and I lower this a little bit. That way it could look like it's even. And then another cool thing you guys could do is upload your banner for your business, right? Whether you work for a company or you have your own company, you could add your little banner, your little logo on top. Obviously, I wouldn't use this one because it doesn't go with the colors and the letters are fading. I would need to change it to another color. But you could do, if you have like a name like we do, like this, Clueless Realtor, you could put it on the corner. You could actually do the same thing we just did with the little box and kind of like go like this. You could put this on the bottom edge right here. You could change this to your branding colors, right? You want to stick with your branding colors as much as possible. So let's say we wanted to do that color and we could put this overlay here, position forward, and you could just put it like right on top if you wanted to. Obviously, you would just play with this, and then you could always change the background. That way, it stands out a little bit better. The yellow's not standing out as much. But as you could see, it's very easy to do so. And this could be a picture that you could use for Instagram, you could use on LinkedIn, you could use on Pinterest, you could use on your Facebook profile page to promote, not profile, but Facebook page to promote this listing that you just got, right? So this is how simple it is to remove a background from any type of photo. So if you enjoy this tutorial or want to learn a little bit more on something else, make sure that you leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to create additional videos that will help you how to market yourself on social media. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.